Hello. Today we're talking about having an organized vision to help you be clutter-free. That means you have to have a plan. An organized vision is a plan. So you get out a paper and you think about what each spot of your house looks like, where you use things, and where you can store things. Always wanting to store close to where you use things. So if your dishwasher is at a certain place in the kitchen, you want to store your dishes nearby, or your glasses nearby, your silverware nearby. Now, all kitchens aren't laid out that way, and there's nothing you can do about it, but in general, you want to do that. You want to keep all your cleaning products together. In your living room, you want all the electronics together, all the books together. And the front entranceway, you may want to keep a place for your shoes, a place for keys and things that come out of your husband's pocket or your purse. You want to hang your purse, hang mittens, hang gloves, hang scarves. Have that ready for winter, summer, whatever. So you hang your sun hat in the summer. So what I want you to do is really, truly sit down, take a few minutes. I know I've talked to you about this before, but I am telling you it's incredibly important that you think about where you're going to put things. This way you won't end up with 12 rolls of tape, 5 pairs of scissors, 12 white bras or beige bras, because it's in the dirty clothes and we haven't done our clothes, we might be buying more clothes. Or because we don't know where our tape is, we have to go buy more tape because we have to wrap this present and get it gone. We may end up, when we go through our stuff, finding stacks of wrapping paper, stacks of tape, innumerable numbers of scissors. You may have really strange things like 3 hole punchers. You never know. So a vision is an organized plan, and that's a plan. An organized vision will take away your clutter, and that is having a plan. So have a plan. Do great. I'm proud of you. Have a great day.